Hello everyone, welcome to solve this math Olympiad exponential problem. And here we have 4 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x equals to 7. And we solve this problem for the values of x. So here you remember one thing is that our x is must be an integer. So that the very first thing we are going to do is here first we rewrite this equation in the form of. Here first we multiply and divide by 2 on the exponent of both of these two terms, and we write it as 4 to the power of x and its whole power 2 over 2, and we have 3 to the power of x and its whole power 2 over 2 equals to 7. So we solve this problem for the very unique method, and here we use a different approach to solve this exponential problem. So please watch the video at the end. So here we apply the exponential law. So we multiply this x by the exponent of 1 over 2, and we write this expression as 4 to the power of x over 2 and its whole square minus this will becomes 3 to the power of x over 2 and its whole square equals to 7. So now we convert this exponential equation into the uh, simple polynomial form, so that we take here a equals to 4 to the power of x over 2 and b equals to 3 to the power of x over 2. And when we substitute these two values in the above equation, so that the above equation will becomes in this form: a square minus b square equals to 7, and we call this as equation number 1. And now you focus on equation number 1. In the left hand side we have, this is the well-known formula or well-known square identity we use here. It is equals to a plus b times of a minus b, and it is equals to 7. So here you focus on the left hand side and you see that we have two factors in the left hand side. These are multiplied by each other, and in the right hand side we have only one factor. So that we convert the two factors in the right hand side, so that we have two possibilities in which we make 7. So these are 1 multiplied by 7 equals to 7, and 7 multiplied by 1 equals to 7. We have these two possibilities. But now first you focus on the left hand side and you see that a plus b is greater than a minus b. It is always greater than a minus b. So you choose the which pair in which the first factor is greater than the second factor. Here you see that 1 is less than 7, so we cannot choose this, and here you see that 7 is greater than 1. So our first factor is greater than the second, so that we will choose this pair. And we compare, or we can just write the 7 as 7 times of 1. And now we compare both of the sides, and we have a plus b equals to 7 and a minus b equals to 1. So that we have two equations, and now we solve these two equations and we find the values of x and y. So that first we add these two equations. We call this as equation number 2 and this as equation number 3. So when we add equation number 2 plus equation number 3, then you see that this is the positive and negative b are cancelled by each other, and we have a plus a will becomes 2 times of a equals to 7 plus 1 is 8. So this implies that we have the value of a will be equals to 4. And now we subtract equation number 2 by equation number 3, and you see that this is the positive will becomes negative and this is positive and negative. So these are gone and we have b plus b equals to 2 times of b. So we write it as 2 times of b equals to 7 minus 1 is 6, and this implies that the value of b equals to 3. So that we find these two values of a and b, and now we write here. So we have a equals to 4 and b equals to 3. So now we back substitute the values of a and b, and we have a equals to 4 to the power of x over 2 and b equals to 3 to the power of x over 2. We put these two values here and you get 4 to the power of x over 2 equals to 4, and we have the value of b will be 3 to the power of x over 2 equals to 3. And when we compare both of the sides, then you see that we have x over 2 equals to 1, and in this case we again get x over 2 equals to 1. And now we simplify both of the cases, then you get the value of x in this case is 2, and similarly the value of x in this case is also 2. So it means that in both of the cases we will get the same value of x. It is x equals to 2. And now in the next step we will check the value of x. Is the value of x satisfies the given question statement or not? So that our question statement will be 4 to the power of x minus 3 to the power of x equals to 7. And now we substitute the value of x on the left hand side and we check its answer. So when you put x equals to 2, then we get 4 square minus 3 square equals to 7. And we have 4 square equals to 16 minus 3 square equals to 9, and it is equals to 7. So 16 minus 9 will becomes 7 equals to 7. So this shows that x equals to 2 satisfied our question statement. So x equals to 2 be the only solution or root of the given equation. And this is the our final answer. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos.